This is a review of the Eheim Classic External Canister Filter with media. The model number is known as either the Classic 150 or model number 2211. Eheim rates the filter for 50 to 150 liters, which translates to 13 gallons to 40 gallons. The filter cost me $74. It comes with a stand, two sets of valves, one for the intake and one for the output, two different diameter tubings, again one for input, one for output, and the necessary tubing, clamps, and suction cups in order to install it in your aquarium. It also comes with all the necessary filter media, sponges, carbon filters, etc. So you don't have to buy that extra. It already comes with it. To give you a size perspective, I put the Classic 150, which you see in the right foreground, up against the Classic 350, which is in the left background. And you can compare their sizes to get an idea of the difference. Here you see it installed underneath a 10-gallon aquarium. You can see the output tubing going up the right side of the aquarium down to the spray bar. Here is the drain tubing, or the input tubing to the filter, which you can see going down to the bottom of the tank, where it has a kind of a filter sieve to keep the fish from getting in it. This video clip is being used to demonstrate the water motion. You can see the plant waving gently, and you can see certain small particles in the water moving around and about. So it gives a reasonable amount of water motion without being overly turbulent. The amount of filter media inside the canister is multiple times that which was in the AquaClear Mini hang-on the back filter, which it replaces. I expect this will make the small 10-gallon tank far more stable, which is a little more of a challenge in a smaller tank. I've had the bigger brother of this filter, the Model 350 Classic, for some time now in my larger planted aquarium, and it has really stabilized the tank in that the fish don't die that much anymore, whereas before the filter I had difficulty maintaining the fish. So I recommend the filter. I did not used to use canister filters, but then I mainly used saltwater tanks, which had a totally different strategy for filtration, using live rock and deep sand beds, etc., and algae scrubbers, etc. So these canisters have been working well on my freshwater tanks. So I do recommend the filter.